So this video is to help you with the assignment for homework lesson 4. In class, we did together 1, 2, and 3. If you missed something, you can pause the video to copy down what is needed. Starting with number 4, we see the problem is 5.5 times 10 to the negative 8th. So what I'll do is copy down the decimal number of 5.5, and then because the number is negative, I'm moving to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I'll be filling in those swoops with zeros that are empty. And then that is where the new decimal location is. So writing the answer, 0 point, and then I need 7 zeros, and then 5, 5. For this problem, I have 1.625, and I'm going to be moving that 7 spaces. Because it is a positive 7, I'll move to the right. From the decimal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In those open spaces, adding the zeros. And my new number is 162500000. It is helpful to put in commas at every 3 numbers from the right towards the left. For number 7, we are converting Gabby's 0.000098 to scientific notation, and we're looking for what would be the missing power. So if I'm starting with this number that I'll recopy, 0.000098, and I know that my decimal is going to be in that location, how many did I move? Because I'm undoing the number, it is going to be a negative exponent, so moving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. It is a negative 5. Number 8, Asher is involved in a competition where the grand prize is $150,000. We're going to write this number in scientific notation. So I write down the number. Because the number started big, we'll have a positive exponent. The invisible decimal is at the end, counting how many I move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my new number is 1.5 times 10 to the 5th. Down below, I'm looking at Mrs. Ferreira asked her students to write a number in scientific notation that is greater than 500 but less than 5,000. So we're going to circle the names of any student who correctly completed the task. So we'll zoom in at each one. For Justice, we have the number 5.25, and we have moving it to the power of 3. So positive means a bigger number, moving 1, 2, and 3, placing a 0 on the open spot. This number is 5,250. This number is greater than 5,000, so it is not correct. Blair has the number 6.1 times 10 to the 3rd, so we're going to move the decimal 3 times. 1, 2, 3, filling those in with zeros. The number is 6,100, and that number is larger than 5,000, so that is not part of it. Then Sal has the number 5.78 times 10 to the 2nd, moving 2 spaces, 1, 2. The number is 578, rewritten, and that does qualify because it is larger than 500 but smaller than 5,000, so this is accurate. And Piper, moving 3 decimal places, 1, 2, 3, placing the zeros in the swoops. The number is 3,500. Again, bigger than 500, smaller than 5,000, and Piper is correct as well. Go back and pause the video where needed. You should be submitting this to lesson 4.